We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram ProMaster 3500. This is a cutaway chassis that we put a Bay Bridge 15-foot box on. This ProMaster has got a 3.6 six-cylinder, also has the automatic transmission, just steel wheels on it. Got the wide mirrors on it to give you a better view around this box when you're going down the road. Inside I've got it equipped with the cloth interior, 2 bucket seats in front, tilt steering, the steering on this is going to be, it extends in and out, does not tilt. Got air conditioning, traction control. Got the 5.0 radio that is hooked up to the rear backup camera. Rubber floor. And again, this is a gas engine, front wheel drive, under 10,000 GVW. What we've done on this is we put a 14-foot sheet and post box on it. Got a pine floor in it. Slide up door in the back. We also have a ramp that comes out to, if you're putting things in there with a 2-wheel dolly or some kind of a cart, it'll go right up that ramp. Got a nice steel step bumper, LED lights in the back. Stepping inside, like I said, this is a 15-foot box, 2x6 pine floor, insulated in the ceiling, insulated in the walls. Got 5 tie-down hooks on each side. Could easily put some E-track in this, shelving. You know, the height is over 6 foot. I'm 6'1". I got about 3 or 4 inches above me on the door here. When I get up in here to the total area, I've got plenty of room. Could put a number of skids in this, different applications. We also put an LED light in to help you see if you're doing any kind of deliveries at night. Just flip on the light and you've got some light. Sliding door on the bulkhead here that goes into the cab. It does lock, so you can keep everything secure that would be inside your cab or inside your cargo box. Once again, this is a Bay Bridge box made up in Indiana. We have a number of these on our lot. I think I've got a 12-footer, got a 14-foot, 15-foot. So if you're looking for a different size box, check our website, sherrychrysler.com, and you'll be able to get a good view of all of the commercial vehicles that we have here on our lot. This is a single rear wheel, front wheel drive with a 6-cylinder. And again, the stock number on this is 28538T here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on any commercial vehicles that we have, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.